Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right surface. Metallic pigments show best on dark paper, sealed wood, or primed canvas. Shake the marker 30 to 60 seconds to mix pigments well, and press the tip down 3 to 5 times to prime the flow. Test on scrap until you get a smooth bead. Once done, use light, even strokes for outlines and heavier pressure for fills. Make sure to cap the marker between passes to prevent drying and clogging. Next, build depth by layering. Work wet on dry so each layer sets for 20 to 60 seconds before adding another. This prevents dragging pigments into dull streaks. If you need smoother gradients, blend very sparingly with a compatible solvent using a brush or soft cotton. Too much will wash out metallic sheen. Also, mix tip sizes. Fine tips deliver crisp detail, while chisel or broad tips create opaque coverage. As you go, step back and adjust pressure, rather than retracing over saturated areas. To finish, protect your piece with a spray varnish suited to metallics. Test the varnish on scrap to avoid clouding. If you notice streaks, let the work dry fully, then either glaze a thin metallic wash or carefully reapply targeted strokes to restore uniform sheen. If a tip clogs, soak it briefly in warm water or the manufacturer's solvent and reprime by pressing the tip until flow resumes. Finally, make sure to store markers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.